Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be showing you how to make a Chinese New Year themed keychain. These are the materials that will be used. Prepare the colors as shown and condition the clay by warming it up between your fingers or using a pasta rolling machine. We'll be starting off with the orange charm. First, take some orange clay and form a sphere. Take a small piece of green clay and form a leaf shape as shown. Use a blade to create the veins of the leaf. Attach the leaf to the top of the orange. Then, use a toothbrush to create the orange skin's texture. Next, we'll be moving on to the lantern. Take some red clay and form a sphere and shape it as such. Roll a thin string of gold clay for the details of the lantern. Using a needle tool or a toothpick, mark the top and the bottom of the lantern. Cut the thin gold clay string and attach it to the sides of the lantern. Then, cut two small pieces of gold clay and flatten it to form two circles. Attach it to the top and the bottom of the lantern. The second animal of the Chinese zodiac, which is the ox, denotes the hard work, positivity, and honesty manifested in all of us in the coming 12 months, according to astrologers. As it is the year of the ox, we will be making a cow instead because it is cuter. Start off by taking a piece of white clay and forming a sphere for the body. Place the sphere on a flat surface, then roll the middle with your finger. Once the shape is as such, take some black clay and roll it into a thick string, then cut two equal parts. Then shape it into a blunt teardrop to form the ears of the cow. Cut the bottom part of the teardrop. Next, take some light pink clay and cut a small disc. Shape it into a flat oval to form the nose. Then using a dotting tool to create the nostrils. Cut two more small pieces of light pink clay for the inner layer of the ears. With a bigger dotting tool, sculpt the black ears as such. Then attach the light pink layer. Then, create some texture with the same dotting tool. Repeat it for the other ear. Attach the nose and the ears to the body as such. For the limbs, roll some white clay into a thick string. Cut two equal cylinders for the forelimbs and shape it as shown. Then attach it to the body. Repeat this step for the hind limbs as well. For the hooves, roll some black clay into a thick string, then cut two discs. Shape it into a sphere, then flatten it slightly and attach to the forelimbs. Repeat these steps for the hind limb hooves. Take a tiny piece of black clay to form the end of the tail as such. Then, roll some white clay into a thin string and cut a small piece, then attach it to the back of the body. Next, attach the end of the tail. For the eyes, cut two tiny pieces of black clay and roll it into spheres. Mark the position of the eyes with a dotting tool, then attach the eyes. As for the horns, Cut 2 pieces of gold clay and form cones. We'll be moving on to the red packet or better known as ang pao. Roll out a red piece of clay and cut it into a rectangle. Then, roll some gold clay into a string and attach it to the edges of the red packet for some details. I made a $sign on the packet, but you could make anything you like. Then, attach the red packet between the limbs of the cow. Once all the charms are done, dip the eye pin into liquid clay to secure the eye pin and insert it into each charm. Bake the charms according to the instruction. Once the charms are baked, let them cool. I use a glossy varnish to coat the charms, but this step is optional. Once dried, it's time to attach the remaining hardware. Attach the jump rings to each charm, then attach it to the keychain. This is the end results of a Chinese New Year themed keychain. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, please do hit the like button and share it to your friends and families. If you're not already subscribed, please consider as we have more interesting videos coming your way. Hope to see you